we're going to clean these two items out here, okay? This one right here is about 100 years old, okay? It's been sitting out in the field. It goes to a plow unit. It's been sitting out in the field, according to the neighbor, for about 40 years. Was stuck in the mud. You can see I've already started to clean it here. And this is an old counterweight for the plow that he also had. It weighs about 50 pounds. And I just wanted to show you guys that this stuff is real. It's not fake. You can see that there's stuff on it there, right? It's not fake. Okay, same thing with this over here. It's actual rust. Okay, so let me set this camera up, and we're going to hit this one first. And I want to make sure, let me back up here a little bit, make sure you guys have a good view. Yep, you do. And I'm just going to continue cleaning. What you're going to see first is our little double wobble, and then I'm going to come back with the straight laser and show you the difference. Here we go. Give you guys a better angle here. Okay, there's that one. Here's this one. Huh. I didn't even know that said standard. Wow. Alright, so you can see this is a little bit more gentle, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into a straight line mode so that the pattern cleans more deeply. So give me a second. Alright, so let's do this one first, right here, so you can see it real good. Back the camera up just a little bit. Don't want to damage my camera. Alright, here we go. All right, you can see how the wobble is more protective and just gets the surface versus the straight line digs down into it and gets all the stuff out of the pitting. So if this wasn't 100 years old, I wouldn't care. I'd probably use the straight line because we're just trying to get the rust off. If it was something that needed to be more protected, then I would use this double wobble, because obviously they would come back and they would paint it, whereas if they didn't care, then I would use the straight line. I personally don't like the line effects that it leaves. You also have to go very, very slow, just like you would here on this one right here. See, it leaves the lines because you're stuck with human behavior on if I have a steady hand or not. And I'm 53 years old. I'm not saying I'm the oldest, but I don't have that great of a steady hand. And so that's why it leaves the lines in there.